Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to toggle web camera access on MacBook Pro M5. Since the web camera itself cannot be fully disabled on this laptop, and some applications like FaceTime or PhotoBooth will always have access to your device's camera, we can still toggle it off for any other third-party application on our device by going to the Apple logo in the top left corner of the screen, then open in System Settings. And then in the System Settings, we're gonna have to scroll down to Privacy and Security menu. And once you open it, scroll down to Camera. Open Camera menu, and here you will find the list of applications that requested your camera access, and you'll be able to revoke their permission for using your device's camera. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.